Hey, I'm Rachel, your mess maker and your technical director, and thank you for joining me in the back workshop for Nail or Fail. And today I am going to give the honest attempt at doing glass potato chips.
To make glass potato chips seems simple enough. You start off with boiling potatoes and rosemary to make stock. Strain it. Add in potato starch and salt to the stock, and over the stovetop you whisk it until you get a clear jelly. You spread the jelly out onto parchment paper into chip shapes, pop them in the oven at a low temperature until they are dried out, and plop them into boiling oil for a few seconds to crisp them up. And voila, you have glass potato chips. It is important to make sure you do have enough potato starch, and on the day I was buying my ingredients, the bulk barn was out, and I was literally scraping the bottom of the barrel, and I don't have enough, and I feel like this is foreshadowing how this challenge will be going.
All right, let's give this a try. Water. We have successfully made potato jelly. Ow, ow, come on, in you go. You know what, close enough. Oh dear, I did not mean for that to happen.
I'm gonna go out on a limb and say this isn't going well. I have overcooked the chips, and after several batches and a couple of hours, I succeeded in overcooking all of them. And they are the perfect mixture of burnt and wobbly.
I think I'm gonna start with this one. Here we go. Oh, hell. Ugh. I think for my first try, I'm gonna give this a fail. Definitely not glassy, kind of chewy in parts, but I'm gonna give this one a fail because they are not glassy. Hey.
Oh, hey, what's going on?
Do you wanna try some glass potato chips?
They're stuck to the bottom. A little see-through.
A little see-through.
I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like those.
I don't want them.
They're salty.
I don't want them. You keep them. Mary, don't!